So it's our second day in Chiang Mai, and today, what are we doing?
We're going to the Grand Canyon, to a water park.
Grand Canyon is the best Grand Canyon of the two Grand Canyons that exist. Look here. Grand Canyon. Water park. Amazing. We're gonna have a good time?
Oh, am I on?
Are we gonna have a good time?
Oh, I understood we have a good time.
Are we gonna have a good time?
Yay, definitely.
What do you think?
Looks actually quite cool, I have to admit.
This is like the best.
Now I'm actually excited.
So excited. This is so fun. Look at all of this shit. Alright. Honestly, this looks amazing.
This looks like so much
It's
fun.
like the best day in the sun ever. Okay, so we're gonna have a blast here. We're just gonna go change and then we're gonna hit the slides.
So we're done with the water park now. It was actually a lot of fun. Although I struggled a little, I have to admit. Sometimes, not all the time.
To not fall in the water.
Yeah, so I was more in the water than actually on the parkour, I think. But Fritjof was actually doing a quite good job. He made like some some jumps. People were impressed.
That was nice.
Yeah,
That was
highlight.
nice. Yeah, definitely. Of course, it was like a full day in the sun, and definitely my skin is not up for this yet, so I got sunburned. This was expected, so at least tomorrow and this evening we just have a chill, kinda not in the sun anymore.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a restaurant now actually to get a nice dinner. We go with our scooter, our pink scooter, which is
Yeah, somewhere
not
around
here.
here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drive the scooter half an hour and then go to a top-rated dinner place.
Well, that's good. So, once again, you can see us eating. No, but honestly, we found this restaurant now.
What did we
It's
get?
number one on TripAdvisor, so yeah, and we get, for now we just got our shakes, but they're amazing. I actually already tried mine. It's like fruit mixture with coconut milk, and oh my god, it's so good. And this is Fritjof. It's Oreo with banana.
It's a milkshake.
It's a milkshake.
Hey,
Let's try this. Someone's not looking happy right now.
Sneaky. Pop, 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 pop.
Really good as well.
Pop, pop, pop.